Happy fall, everyone. Welcome to my first fall clean and decorate with me featuring my formal living room.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be super light. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. Ooh. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so light. No. make it like every day is your birthday. I want to spend my life with you, and now it's time to celebrate, 'cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday. Baby, it's your birthday. Whoa. Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you for myself all day. Let me show you what I got in store. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you for myself all day. Let me show you what I got in store. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Baby, it's your birthday. Baby, it's your birthday. Yeah. I have loved you quite some time, thinking about the day that we met. I love to see you smile. Can't take my eyes off your silhouette. So today I have planned it out so carefully. I know the things that you like. We'll be singing and dancing on the way. I got plans for you all day, all night. 'Cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you for myself all day. Let me show you what I got in store. So get ready, get ready, get ready. I can't take my eyes off you. I'll make it like every day is your birthday. I want to spend my life with you, and now it's time to celebrate, 'cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday. Baby, it's your birthday. Whoa. Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you for myself all day. Let me show you what I got in store. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have.
Okay, you guys, so I'm finally done. I think this is my final look, I think. Unfortunately, at the angle that my room is, I'm not really able to show you the entire room. Or maybe if I go on the stairs. But right now, let me just kind of pan through to show you guys how everything looks. And then I'll give you an overall look in a moment. So this is the my stand here, or whatever you call it, my entryway table, if you will, but I don't have it at the entryway. This is what I've come up with, and I think I like it. I believe this is going to be my final look. I got the, well, these leaves actually I had, these flowers I had last year. And y'all saw me do a haul and mostly the rest of the items. That sign that says Hello Fall, I had that last year. Those two candle holders, those were last year that I purchased from Ross. The Hello Fall sign, I believe, came from Ross too, I believe. I'm not sure, you guys. The little wreath that you see around the lantern, I believe that was a Goodwill find a couple of years ago, I think. The two, well, this little tree, floor, whatever you want to call it, with the little sticks that's on the floor, I'm not even sure where I got those from, y'all. It may have been Kirkland's a long time ago. I'm not certain. Everything else, the mirror tray I had on hand, the candle that's inside the mirror tray came from Dollar Tree. Everything else was in my haul that I've already uploaded on my channel, so you guys can check that out. Let me just give you a close-up.
I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. See if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want you. Because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone, no, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much, I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over, yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby, yeah. It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone, yeah. A place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much, I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more, no. I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone, no, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop. Because I miss you